About 5 years ago, we at the Insurance Regulatory Authority of Uganda conceptualized this idea based on a simple question. And the question was, how do we take insurance from boardrooms to the streets? That was the concept. How do we take insurance from boardrooms to the streets? And guided by the able leadership of Alhaji, this concept was born. And we said, let's get together, the insurers, the other financial sector partners, the press, and we go to the streets and preach the message of insurance so that we are able to achieve what we call inclusion. I know the press has been awash of the insurance penetration levels being below 1%, but the only way we thought we would break this would be to get out of the comfort of the boardrooms and go to the streets where we think the insurance consumers are. We had a question, how do we move awareness? How do we move from just awareness to engagement? Because you've heard Alhaji on radio, you've read news articles, that's awareness. But how can we take a further step and engage? We get to listen to the last person so that when it comes to the laws headed by our sister here, Francesca, she's coming up with laws and regulations that are responsive to the actual demands and needs of the people. That's the issue that informed this initiative, and we are glad that from the previous initiatives, our regulation has become more visible and it is attracting a lot of trust, because regulation without visibility cannot build trust. Products without understanding cannot build uptake. And growth without inclusion does not build resilience. So we want growth which can build resilience. We want products which can attract uptake. We want regulations that can build trust. That is only possible if we move out of our offices and engage and listen, then come and improve. If I'm to summarize the Annual Insurance Week and the Innovation Awards in 4 words, we want to engage, we want to empower, we want to evolve, but we also want to elevate the insurance sector.